I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Account level, badges, and that training camp is unlocked. This prevents wasted attempts. Once confirmed, gather the specific materials that grant FC25 eligibility. The ticket, 3 boosters, and required in-game currency. These items trigger the evolution window. Then open the training camp interface, choose the exact evolution path you want, and initiate the first session. This reserves your FC25 slot and starts progress, so make sure inventory space is clear before pressing confirm. Once the session is active, optimize by applying the 3 efficiency boosters during peak XP windows. This increases evolution speed and reduces grind, which matters for FC25 timing. Next, chain daily missions and any 1/2 cost events to accumulate resources without overspending. That synergy saves currency and guarantees required items. Also, assign your highest stat units and select support buffs that push the evolution meter over thresholds. This ensures you meet the exact conditions for FC25 rather than repeating sessions later. Finish the remaining training sessions and monitor progress until the reward screen lists FC25 evolution. You must redeem it and then apply final upgrade materials to lock stats. After claiming, double-check evolved unit stats and skill assignments, then save or export loadouts to avoid accidental loss. If the evolution doesn't appear, first clear the game cache and resync your account. If that fails, gather session logs and contact support. This troubleshooting step resolves most edge cases without losing earned FC25 progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.